YouTube, it's Gwen. I'm back. And the reason I'm on here today is because I want to talk about shampoo. There was a time I was anti-shampoo because it was just drying my hair out. I hadn't figured it out yet, but I figured it out. And I have to use silicone-free, sulfate-free, sulfonate-free shampoo. Because my hair is overprocessed and I'm not going to stop relaxing my hair. It just saves me too much time. And I don't believe I have to stop relaxing my hair to have it healthy and long and luscious. So therefore, I have found products that will help me on my journey to my goal to have nice, healthy, relaxed hair. I've shown this one before, and I'm talking about shampoos. And shampoos are the basis, the beginning of any healthy hair diet regimen, whatever, routine, because shampoos allow your hair to accept moisture. Hair cannot accept moisture if it's weighed down with product and gunked up. It can't. And if your product, you have to wash those products off. And if you're constantly washing them with something that's drying your hair off, it's going to break. It's not going to progress. Therefore, bam, right here. Like I said, I've shown this one before. This is the Ology baby shampoo and body wash. Got this from Walgreens. There are 13 ounces in here. It has hydrolyzed wheat protein in it. I got this for, I think, $3.99, $2.99, something like that. It is being discontinued, so therefore I had to find some backups. And boy, did I. To my surprise, I have the Tilige Wajid Clean and Natural. Now, this was $6.99. I got this from my local beauty supply store. You can get it at Target, I do believe. And I think I found this at H-E-B, which is my grocer, my local grocery store here. This is 8 ounces, $6.99. I like this, very light smell, and it does its job. It cleans your hair. And usually before I use this, I do a protein treatment, either VO5 and yogurt, VO5 and an egg, and I'm done. I'm on to my conditioner. So yeah, I like that one. And I also like the Shea Moisture, whoa, wrong way. Shea Moisture, Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo with sea kelp and argan oil. This is why this is so bomb dilly. Okay, it has a protein, the sea kelp, and the argan oil in it already. So you really don't even have to pre-poo. You could just hop straight into the Shea Moisture, wash your hair, have it all nice, soft, and luxurious and everything, and just go into your conditioner. This one is $9.99. It's 13 ounces, 13 fluid ounces. And the only thing I don't like about this product is the smell. Like, I have sinus problems, and this smell is good, but it's extremely strong. Like, you will smell this for the next couple of days after you wash your hair. Like, it's just that strong. So yeah, it's a good product, and it's one of my things that I can actually wash my hair with it and not dry it out. So hey, I'm all happy for that. And so what I'll be doing is seeing y'all in another video, because this is the end of this one. Bye.